Hello Passionpreneurs! My name is Kamleshwar. After attending the summit, I have enrolled for the Passionpreneur Mastermind program, the mentorship program. The summit, the 3-day summit was fabulous. It was wonderful. A lot of learnings from the summit, and I'm really looking to have transformation. So within myself, I have a lot of limiting beliefs. I have been facing a lot of challenges when it comes to my career, my personal life as well. Many times I'm not able to express what I want to, not able to articulate well, and then I have a lot of limiting beliefs. So when I started writing down my limiting beliefs, I noticed that I have like 18 limiting beliefs. So yes, I want to work on them rigorously. I want to ensure that I become a better person, a better version of myself with the help of this mentorship program. I was moved by how 𝘬𝗪 is doing the holistic improvement, or ensuring the holistic transformation of people, and how his vision, right? His vision of transforming 1 billion lives. So yeah, I wanted to be a part of this transformation and also improve upon myself, learn from the mentorship program. I have complete faith in Dev sir and his process, and so I went ahead enrolling for the mastermind program. Hello Passionpreneurs! Energy, 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 energy! So I've completed 1 month of the Passionpreneur Mastermind program. I completed the book 𝘪𝗪, very good book to read about how you can start working on your passion, and how you can use various tools. Those are available like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, right? These are tools that you can use for advertising or letting people know about how good you are on your passion. Next thing, I have made progress on other tasks as well. I've been following Giver in the morning, and then I'm doing meditation on a daily basis, and I'm doing live video daily on Instagram. Yeah, I've been given a 30-day live video challenge, so I'm following that as well. Besides those, I've created my YouTube channel and posting some of the videos over there as well. I prepared my Google form to understand my customer avatar better, and I'm reaching out to people, connecting with them to understand their problems, then what questions that they have, and what are the roadblocks, right? And then trying to understand those problems and work on finding a solution for those problems. I have been making these live videos, and the content that I've been creating are related to my niche, and so a lot of things going on. I'm getting overwhelmed as well. A lot of actions happening in the Passionpreneur just right, after completion of 1 month. So great. I'm looking forward to learn a lot from the mentorship program. The mentors are great. They are very helpful, very supportive, and we are also having weekly group sessions on Wednesday. A lot of things happening, and I'm enjoying the process a lot, trying to take actions as much as possible. Hello Passionpreneurs! Energy, 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 energy! So I've completed the 2nd month of my Passionpreneur transformation journey, the masterminding journey. So far, I've made good progress as well. The 1st month was really energetic, working on my health goals, working on the other tasks given by my mentors. I was feeling very high during the 1st month. During the 2nd month, though, I felt a little low, and as Gurudev says that during this process there'll be the highs and lows, there'll be storms. So I felt like I was going through that, but then I'm making the effort to come back and work on all the tasks that have been assigned by my mentors, and also follow the process, work on my framework, the program. So yeah, I'm trying my bit to continue making baby steps, even if possible, taking actions, keep progressing on. I'm very happy to share that I have been able to publish my first ebook, The Art of Conquering Limiting Beliefs, and that is now live on Amazon Kindle. Talking about the progress I have made, one thing is that I can now call myself as an author, being published one book on Amazon now, and I'm also working on my bigger book, the core book, that I'm going to also complete soon. Also, I've been able to work consistently on my health goals. I feel more energetic now, more active, and I've reduced like more than around 5 kgs during last few months, and that really feels good because I have never been able to reduce my weight earlier. I didn't get the motivation, but then now consistently I'm working on my health goals. I'm feeling more energetic, I'm feeling more energized now. Also, I was never a reader earlier. I never used to like reading, but now reading is a part of my daily routine. I'm reading every day, so that is another change. So a lot of transformation happening, a lot of changes for positive, in fact, within me, and people are also noticing. In fact, the other day I visited my in-laws, and they were stunned to see, because I have not been able to visit them for a couple of months now. So when they saw me, they were stunned to see how my physical transformation, how I've transformed physically, how I've become more, I've reduced my weight, in fact, and look more thinner, and then they were really stunned to see that, and they were appreciating. So yeah, in fact, I'm enjoying that a lot, feeling more energetic, more active now. So great transformations happening, and I'm really enjoying this journey a lot. The mentors are great, they're supporting a lot, and they're helping in transformation. They're showing so much of faith in me, and giving me tasks to speed up my journey, my process, and soon to conduct my webinar. So yeah, a lot of things going around, getting overwhelmed as well, but as the Gurudev and the mentors say, it's okay to be overwhelmed, because I'm doing something that I've never done in my life earlier. So it's okay. At times I get stressed out, but then that's fine. But the most important thing is I'm enjoying this, I'm liking this, and I'm doing it because I want to do this. Hello, passionpreneurs! Energy! When I started my journey back in January 2022, my passionpreneur journey, I was not very sure how long I will be able to go. Will I be giving up in between? I was not very confident. There were a lot of fears in my mind. And it's been already that I've completed 3 months of my transformation journey with Passionpreneur Masterminding of Batch 7. And there has been a lot of transformation that I've noticed in myself. I was never a reader. I started reading a lot of books. I was wondering that I would go at my own pace, and will be conducting my webinar somewhere around like June, and maybe writing my book, and that will be publishing somewhere around like in October. But this process, this journey has brought a lot of speed in my journey as well. I was able to publish my ebook in the month of February, and 14 copies of that book have already been sold, with more than 800 rupees of the income that I've generated so far. Also, I've started writing my full-fledged book. The title is Discover the New You, and I'll be completing soon, and that will be publishing soon as well. I conducted my first webinar already, and I was able to close one, and in my one-on-one call I was able to close the other one as well. So I will have 2 people already signed up for my program, the next level program, after my webinar. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this journey. The masterminding batch that I have, very supportive members, they have been helping me a lot, and connecting them as well. and that is helping me. They helped me during the webinar dry run as well, and provided a lot of inputs which helped me conducting my webinar very smooth and successfully. The first webinar, I was very nervous, was wondering how it would go, my first webinar, but then it really went well. It was beyond the expectation that I had for my first webinar, and I didn't expect that I am going to close during my first webinar. So it was really great. The support of mentors that I have, the amount of faith that they have been showing, and they've really brought speed in my journey. I was never expecting that I would be doing so many things in this small span of time. I'm blessed to be a part of this Passionpreneur family, and this has helped me to discover my new version, and a lot of things that I never realized I could do. I was able to unearth a lot of my talents, and I'm still learning a lot. So this is really helping me a lot, and I'm very happy with the transformation that I've seen so far after completing the 3 months of my journey. I'm conducting my webinar for now planned weekly, and yeah, I'll continue to go and keep learning